His timing is perfect, that ye may prove what is that good, and acceptable, and perfect will of God. Romans chapter 12 verse 2. God has a plan for the life of every Christian. Every circumstance, every turn of destiny, is for your good. It is working together for completeness. His plan for you is being perfected. All things working together for your good and for His glory. As a young Christian, Ruth, my wife, wanted to be a missionary, as were her father and mother. But God had other plans for her life. Changing circumstances revealed God's will to her, and she was happy where God had placed her. So many of us ask God to change the circumstances to suit our desires, instead of us conforming our wills to His. Don't let circumstances distress you. Rather, look for the will of God for your life to be revealed in and through those circumstances. Prayer for the day. How often I want to run ahead of your leading, Father. Let me trust you completely and realize that in the midst of all the events of this day, you are working out your will for my life.